हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल विद अ न्यू वीडियो। आज की वीडियो में मैं एक बेसिक से प्रिंगल कैन को यूज़ करके एक बहुत ही क्यूट सा पेंसिल होल्डर बनाने वाली हूँ। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Here is the Pringles can and I'm using cake board. You can use cardboard as well, and now I'm measuring the can according to the given measurements, and later I'll cut the can in half. Finally, cans cut हो चुकी हैं and now I'm using white paper to cover both cans and the cake board. So here I'm cutting the extra paper and जो paper remaining है उसको भी मैं neatly cut कर रही हूँ and इस cake board को एक neat और clean look दे रही हूँ।
By the way, it's looking satisfying.
Really?
Yes, Shafi.
By the way, अभी तक के प्रोसेस में मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है and I cannot wait to see the final result. Finally, cake board properly cover हो चुका है and now I'm covering the cans using white paper. Here I'm not cutting off the extra paper, instead I'm gluing it in this way just to give it a more neat and clean look. Here the cans are covered from the outside, but मैं इनको ऐसे नहीं छोड़ने वाली हूँ यार. So here I'm using strips of white paper to glue them inside the can to make it look more neat. And here you can see the difference. So finally the covering part is all done. And अब मैं यहाँ पर rabbit के ears बना रही हूँ using white and pink paper. The ears are ready and here I'm using this Pom Pom Ball to make the nose and two eyes using black paper, and here I'm cutting thin strips of black paper to make whiskers of my cute pencil holder. And here comes the final part. अब मैं इस glue gun की help के साथ इन सारे parts को इस cake board पर glue कर रही हूँ. It's almost completed, but here I'm adding little details to make it look more cute.
And it's ready. It's looking so cute.
So friends, do let me know कि आपको ये कैसा लगा, and thank you so much for watching friends. Bye bye, take care.